illustrators, welcome back to Art with Ashley B. That's me. Today we are going to do one of my favorite things. We are going to take an inanimate object and create a character out of it. We are going to draw a happy hamburger character. So let's get started. Okay, illustrators, we're going to get started with our happy hamburger. We're going to begin with a straight line. That will actually be the bottom of the top bun. And now we'll get to add like a dome on top for the top bun and the head of our happy hamburger. From here, we're going to add in our toppings. So we'll start with adding some lettuce. And you can make it look almost like a series of small curved lines that are all a little bit different. So there's our lettuce layer. And then we've got a large layer that could be the patty. And a thinner layer that could be like a tomato or a couple slices of cheese, player's choice. And then we'll add a second layer of lettuce towards the bottom here. And the last thing we'll have to do is add in the bottom bun. So we'll put two slightly curved lines on either side. And then we'll connect it with a very, very slightly curved line there at the bottom. So there's the basic body of our character. We'll add two little feet at the bottom. And we'll put on a couple arms, just a curved line with 3 fingers here. And the other arm will be down 1, 2, 3. Okay, so we'll build the face in next. We'll start with a straight line and pair that with a curved line. And we'll do that on both sides for both eyes. This is just a different kind of eye shape. 2 little pupils. And 2 eyebrows. And we're going to make our hamburger very happy. Obviously, this is called Happy Hamburger. So we'll start with a little smile line here. And then we'll expand that into a really big open mouth smile. A little tongue here. And I always think it's nice when you can add some details to your work. So we'll add several little ovals to indicate that this is like a sesame seed bun. So we're just going to add these in at random. Try to avoid creating any type of a pattern with these, just make them look kind of randomly placed here. Okay, illustrators, there we have our happy hamburger character. Now it's time to add color. So feel free to get colored pencils, crayons, markers, anything that you'd like to color with. This is what I chose to do. we have our completed happy hamburger illustration. The last step we have to do is sign them because every artist should always sign their work. All right, illustrators, great job today making your happy hamburger characters. I know that they all turned out amazing. Very happy as well. If you all enjoyed yourself today, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for so many more illustration fun coming your way. I'll see you next time.